Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can disable voice chats in Roblox. So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. So the first thing you need to do is to open Roblox on your device. Once you do so, the next thing you need to do is to tap on the more options. So guys, you can go to the settings and follow the same steps if you're using Roblox on a computer. So once you tap on the more option, the next thing you need to do is to tap on the settings. Once you access the settings, from here, you need to choose privacy and content maturity. So once you tap on that one, from here, you need to choose communication. So in communication, you need to tap on voice chat. And as you can see, it is enable. So all you need to do is to disable it. So once you disable it, and as you can see, they say save successfully. So now the setting has been changed and your voice chat has been disabled. So guys, this is all it takes to disable voice chat on Roblox. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.